from William Carey University. This is in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Some very serious damage is being reported, and again, a tornado has hit that campus. Officials are working to ensure that students are safe.
The campus is gone. Just prepare yourself, the campus is gone.
There was screaming, lots of crying, lots of confusion.
We were struck by the worst disaster this university had ever seen. An EF3 tornado wiped out 98% of this campus. The damage was extreme because I had to drive around down trees and power lines and buildings.
The most frightening thing was as I approached one of our dorms and seeing that part of the building had collapsed and part of the roof was gone and all of the windows are out. And I could only imagine the condition of the students inside.
We go downstairs into the lobby and we see glass everywhere. And you didn't really know the damage until you stepped outside. So the only light we have to walk across campus is the actual physical lightning that's hitting so that we can see our pathway, because it's really dark.
Looking at the physical devastation, we knew it was catastrophic. There was some concern among some that whether or not we could recover. My fears originally were related to space, whether or not we were going to be able to piece together enough physical space for classrooms, for students, residential students, to hold classes for the rest of the winter term.
They were leading students out of the dormitory with the east end of the dorm collapsed. The provost was here and he was trying to get them out of that building into a safe environment.
I mean, it was really kind of overwhelming to see that level of destruction. And then I also saw the chapel, and it was just devastating to see all of the stained glass windows broken out, and to see the pulpit Bible there on the podium still open to Psalm 46. I cannot think of a more appropriate passage boldly proclaiming that God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. That helped to give the university the strength and the motivation to build back better and stronger.
The first 22 days after the tornado, we worked almost around the clock side by side trying to get the doors open.
We were able to finish our term on time. We were able to begin the very next term on time. And not only to be able to just recover, but also to be able to recover in a way that made the university even stronger than the way we were before.
For 110 years, William Carey has been located on this site, building and growing. Now we have, in essence, a new campus, and we're happy to welcome students to come to this new and exciting campus as we move into the future with exciting goals and dreams for a better school. William Carey University will be here for a long time to come, preparing students to go out into the world and make the world a better place. William Carey's motto sustains us: expect great things from God and attempt great things for God. And we intend to continue following that motto in the years ahead.